homemade solid dish soap. This is a multi-purpose kind of soap that one can use and actually literally clean everything at home. So you can use it for your laundry purpose. You can also use it to wash your dishes. If you want to save costs and cut the cost of buying some store-bought grade of soaps in the house, you need to actually stick to watching this video. Hi all, this is Banglam DIY. On today's edition, I'll be teaching you how to make this multi-purpose solid soap that one can use as laundry and also as dish soap. I have 4 different ways I actually formulated this recipe so that anybody, irrespective of the place you find yourself in the world, you can actually make this soap. I'll be using number 2, which is palm kernel oil and tallow, but I believe I actually dropped the recipe for everybody to school. We are going to make this soap to be very powerful and very potent. So that is why we are adding this soda ash. Soda ash is also known as sodium carbonate or washing soda. We'll be adding in about 30 grams into 100 grams of water. Dissolve it and set it aside. I'll be using a total of 500 grams of water to make this soap. And because I'm using a hardener like sodium lactate or sodium silicate, which I'm adding into my lye solution, my soap will come out hard. Dissolve your caustic soda, allow it to cool down. Make sure you wear your hand gloves. Be careful, cover your nose, cover your eyes, wear your goggles, wear your PPE, and do it outside and allow it to cool down before you make your soap. Into that your lye solution, add in your sodium silicate or sodium lactate, depending on the one you can find in your country. The reason for this extra additive is just to make the soap to be hard and pop out from the mold as quick as possible. The oil combination I'm using is palm kernel oil and tallow. I've already dissolved it and I added it into my bowl. What I'm adding right now is my fragrance. You can use essential oils or you can use fragrance oils. But to tell you the honest truth, I always work with citrus smell whenever I'm making a laundry soap or a dish soap, something like lemon and tangerine. I love using those kind of combination and bergamot. Now I added my lye solution. Once you add your lye solution, stir it so that it emulsifies very well. If you are using lighter oils, you might need to stick blend so that you have a good emulsion before you proceed. The next thing I'm adding now is the soda ash solution. This is a water softener. It will help to break down dirt as quickly as possible from this soap. Remember that this soap, one of the purpose of this soap is for laundry purpose, and sometimes our kids stain their clothes with something like oil or food. This kind of soap is powerful enough to lift out tough stains from clothes. Just rub it on those patches, soak your clothes, and then you wash it very well. You will see those stains will actually lift up from the clothes. If you have children that still go to school, dirty stockings, dirty singlets, this soap, you actually need to make it at home. There are different ways you can boost your soaps, like adding borax and the rest of them, but I found out as most of my followers don't like using borax. Some in Germany said they don't have borax at all. It's not even sold in Germany. So that's why I'm using soda ash. I believe everybody can find soda ash or washing soda in their country, respective country, or wherever you find yourself in the world. You see the way I did the recipe into 4 places so that everybody can find it. And please, if you want me to forward the recipe to your DM, you need to comment dish soap in the comment section below. And you need to be following me, because if you're not following me, I can't really message you. So once I was done, I divided it into 2 portions. One was actually smaller and I colored yellow, and the white one I used titanium dioxide, which is soluble in water and also in oil, to color the white one. Once I was done, I mix it up just to give it a spike or make it to look more presentable. It's something I want to sell to people, right? People come to my end and purchase this soap from me. And because of the sizes of this soap, I don't know, but if you sell it in packs, it will be better. What I mean is a pack of 6, a pack of 3, a pack of 4, it will be better for you than selling it singly. And I don't know how much you want to sell it from your own end. If you're in Nigeria, probably 500 naira. If you're not in Nigeria, maybe you just have to work on your price, check the cost of your production and see. I've done a video here on how to break down the cost of your production. Maybe I'll try and do it again for those who are soapers or those who make things with their hands, so that you know how to break down your costs and share and know if you're making profit or not in your business. I'll try and do that video any other time, but not now. Let's focus on what we are doing now. The color combination will just help to pop out the soap and make it look very enticing so that anybody will buy it. And then because of the scent of lemon, immediately you place it on your nose, you just feel it, that it scents so good, it scents so well. So I'm teaching you guys this thing. Number one, to stay at home moms who may need it to help themselves at home. And also to those who are looking for a little business they can be making from home to earn some money. I hope you guys love my channel. Follow for more DIY recipes.